Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. We from QUADCOUGARS will be presenting about case study stage 2 and our data analysis.
Now I'm going to talk about methodology on case study stage 2. We begin by designing the questions focusing on the root cause of NCD, which are biological, lifestyle, socio-economic and environmental for both UTM students and Malaysian family. After the questions are ready, we proceed to create a questionnaire using Google Form. This platform is chosen because it's easy to collect and store data from the participant. After the questionnaire is ready, we pilot it among our team members to check if the question is easy to understand and to avoid error like misspelled. After we satisfied with the questionnaire, we proceed to determine the sample size and the target group to distribute the question through WhatsApp and Telegram group. After 7 days, the questionnaire is distributed. We close the questionnaire to proceed with data analysis using MATLAB to identify the root cause of NCD among UTM student and Malaysian family.
Hi, I'm Ong and now I would like to share the organization of database. First, we have to separate the data into UTM students and Malaysian family. Then only we can import the data from Excel to MATLAB by clicking the import data icon at the toolbox. And then we can start to analyze our data with the MATLAB programming. The next slide is about the survey on a few factors contribute to NCDs among UTM students. But I just want to focus on the main factors that affect the risk of NCDs. In the slide, I already summarized the survey into the highest percentage in each survey. First is the consumption of fruits or vegetables per day, which is 2 to 3 servings that comprise 62%. The World Health Organization WHO recommends a daily diet of at least 5 portions of serving for an optimal health. Then 38% of respondents engage 1 to 3 hours in physical activity per week. Physical activity can strengthen our body health and thus reduce the risk of getting NCDs. Next is time of sleep per night, which is 5 to 6 hours and the percentage is 51%. As we all know, the minimum sleeping hours for us to keep fresh in the day is 8 hours, so 5 to 6 hours is totally not enough. Next is 51% of students having processed food 2 to 3 times in a week. Actually, we have to avoid from processed food as it is totally not good for our health. The last one is use of tobacco product. It shows a positive result from the data as almost all of the participants or 85% of them never use tobacco.
Findings of data analysis on Malaysian family. Socially, our survey reveals several critical insights into the lifestyle and health behaviors of Malaysian households, indicating the areas of concern, particularly in diet and physical activity, sleep patterns, and of course the tobacco use. So, interventions targeting the education, behavior change, and environmental improvements are necessary to reduce the risk of getting the NCDs in Malaysia. Therefore, a multi-level approach involving the individual, community, and policy interventions is needed to improve the public health and therefore reduce the burden of getting the NCDs in Malaysia. So as you can see here, a total of 30 respondents has answered our questionnaires. Based on the data collected, we casually take the highest percentage from each survey and then we analyze it. For example, and up to 59% of Malaysian families has consumed 2 to 3 servings of vegetables per day. So what can we conclude here is that lifestyle factors is the main reason why people are getting NCDs nowadays.
Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I want to talk about benchmarking and the main reason why NCDs can happen in our country. From our data that we have collected from previous stages, we can conclude that the main reason why NCDs happen is because of lifestyle factors. And we do some research also in other countries. You can see above all benchmarking that we have did in our report also show us that other country is having the same problem as us. For example, lifestyle factors is also the main reason why NCD can happen. In higher class country such as United States and lower class country such as Indians is also having the same problem. So I think that's all from me. Thank you.